Hi, I'm Raynetta, in memory of Michael. Looking out across the nighttime, the city winks a sleepless eye. Hear his voice shake my window, sweet seducing sighs get me out into the nighttime, for walls won't hold me tonight. If this town is just an apple, then let me take a bite. And if they say why, tell them that it's human nature. Why does she do me this way? And if they say why, tell them that it's human nature. Why does she do me this way? Reaching out to touch a stranger, electric eyes are everywhere. See that guy? He knows I'm watching. He likes the way I stare. And if they say why? Tell them that it's human nature. Why does she do me this way? Sha-da-da-dee-da. Why? Oh, why does she do me this way? I like living this way. I like loving this way. Well, that's my 2 minutes. It's been fun for me. I hope you enjoyed it. Why?